must be gravity. My attraction to you, it comes naturally. It's not just a phase I'm going through. This journey was made for me and you. This love is so much larger than life. Let me prove it to you that this is no lie.
Okay, so let's get started. To start with, I've already primed my face. I have applied a primer. So I'm gonna start by applying some a BB cream because honestly lately my skin has been really good to me, so I just try and do less of a coverage, like giving it a more kind of a natural look, you know what I mean, just covering the blemishes that I have, that's all. Next, I'm going to use the MAC concealer. That's my favorite concealer. I think I've been using it for years now. So I'm taking this brush. It came in one of the boxy jar box for sure, and I just like how easy it is to apply the concealer with this. The other brushes, I feel like a lot of products goes waste because it just stays on the brush. This one is very easy to apply, especially like in the corners and hard to reach area. So I love this brush. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is set it all with the powder. So I'm using this translucent powder from Lancome, and I'm going to take my brush for it. Just on my brush. Next, it's time to do my eyebrows. So for that I'm going to use this Chelsea eyebrow cream. So it has like two ends. This one is the container with the cream, and this one is the brush. So all you gotta do is this, take it on the brush and fill in your eyebrows with it. So let's just go ahead and do it. I'm going to take this brow brush and just blend it all in. The next step is I'm going to take this Chelsea brow defining gel and put it on top of my eyebrows, just so to set it so that it doesn't smudge. Okay, so for my eye makeup, I'm just trying to like work with this light. I'm filming after so long, I probably forgot how to film stuff. Anyways, okay, so for my eye makeup, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette that came in this boxy charm box. I have been working with them for a while. Boxy charm, and this month I received a blush from Laura Seller, which is a beautiful, very pretty blusher. If you can see it, like, look at the glow. I don't know if you can see it or not. So received a bunch of eyeshadow brushes, which I'm going to use in this tutorial. Also received this liquid eyeliner. and received this Lorac Pro liquid lipstick, which also I'm going to use in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and do the eye makeup. So I'm using this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. So let's get vulgar with this eyeshadow palette. So these are the pretty shades, which is perfect for fall, I guess. Absolutely love all the colors in here. So I'm gonna do like a really dark brown eyes with dark brown lipstick. So let's start by applying some concealer. So I'm starting by taking this shade. It's called Clutch. Right here. Next I'm taking this shade called Flip Out right here. Applying it on the outer corner and the crease. Next I'm taking this brush and I'm taking this lighter shade of brown and I'm gonna apply it on the brow bone area right here. Next I'm taking this crease brush and I'm going to use this all-nighter shade. It's a pretty dark, very kind of darkest brown shade or matte black, and applying it on the corners. A fluffy crease brush and taking this hide and seek shade, this sheet, and blending it all in together on the brow bone and crease area. Now taking this brush and this shade called Pillow Fight, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear some mascara. So I'm using this voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. This is my favorite drugstore mascara. Really adds a lot of volume to the lashes. Next I'm taking this flat top brush that came in the BoxyCharm box and this brown eyeshadow again called Swoop right here, and applying it on my lower lash line. Now taking this thin brush and this sparkly white shade called Break Free, applying it in the inner corners of my eyes, just a little bit. Okay, so the eye makeup is almost done. All I'm gonna do is apply some kohl pencil. This is like my something I really like doing it. Feel like kind of brighten up my eyes. There you go. And I want to wear fake lashes, but at the end of the makeup tutorial, not right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and contour. So for contouring, as usual, I'm using my PR contouring stick, and all I'm gonna do is very easy. There you go. And so I'm gonna take my Kevin Aucoin or whatever it is, this thing, this contour powder from this palette. Oops. And using this brush, I'm gonna blend it all in. Go ahead and highlight. So for this, I'm using this highlighting powder and just highlight my nose. And I'm just gonna highlight a little bit underneath my eyes. There you go. And I'm gonna wear my lipstick. So for my lipstick, this is the Pro Liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Deep Burgundy. So here is the shade, and let's wear it. The last thing is my blusher. I actually forgot to apply it. This is my favorite blusher for now. It's called Note, and it's in the shade Desert Rose. I mean, I absolutely love it. This blusher is the best blusher that I've ever used. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. And I'm gonna use my all-time favorite ColourPop highlighter. So this is it. Just gonna apply it on the highest part of my cheeks, just to give that added glow. There you go. And I'm gonna be back wearing my eyelashes. Okay, so this is my complete look. I just added the fake lashes. I usually do not wear lashes. I just don't like. It's too much work for me. But since I didn't do any eyeliner, I thought it's gonna look really pretty if I add fake eyelashes, so I did. And these are like eyelashes I bought from Walmart. I guess these are from Revlon or L'Oreal. It's like $4. Anyways, the sun is getting brighter in here. I hope I have given you a really nice view of my makeup without it being too bright. And this is my first video I'm actually filming in my new place. I don't know why. Okay, so I don't know why I have stopped filming videos. It's too bright. It's still too bright. But I'm just gonna finish this video here. So I don't know why I have stopped filming videos. But it's just like you know, whatever. I'm back. Hopefully I'm back. I just keep saying that in all my videos. I'm back and I'll be filming more videos. But today I plan on to film a couple more videos which are needed to be filmed. So I am gonna go ahead and finish filming those videos, and hopefully there's gonna be back-to-back videos for y'all. And I'm sorry for being so bright in here, because I mean, the sun is shining really bright on my face right now. So I should just wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed this quick and easy fall makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I promise I'm gonna be regular. I promise. Please leave comments and also video ideas so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now, guys.